Once your graphic is set up, you're going to come over here. You're going to use a flash drive to plug into the back. Open your file up in Illustrator. You're going to go to the back here, and the rollers need to be pinched down to be released. And you could take the roll, just roll it back up, and move it back over to the table here. And then you could take your second roll. I'll just make sure that the excess is taken up, and then you could just feed it through. And what you want to do is you want to line up the paper with the stripes here on the printer. So you want to make sure that the right side is over top of the stripe and the left side has the stripe here. So you want to get as much paper width as possible. So you want to get it right about like this. So you want to line up the paper in the back to make sure that it fits correctly. So once it looks right, then you clamp down, well, you clamp up these so that your roller is on the gray, or else you'll get an error. If the roller's off that gray a little bit, you're going to get an error. Like this one would probably maybe an error, so you want to move it over just a little bit. So I'll move it over here. It's hard to do this. Put it over just a little bit, and then let it, you can see now moved it over, and it should be on the gray. So then it says sheet unloaded. If you hit enter, it'll reset. Then it says roll, so you want to hit enter again, and it loads the sheet. So then it took, the width is 327 millimeters, and it's set up to be able to use here. Once your roll is loaded into the machine like this, you're going to select the graphic along with your registration marks. And if this Roland CutStudio window is not open, you find it under window, extension, and then Roland CutStudio is where it is. So you can see here. So you open that up. You don't have to change anything up here for the model of the vinyl machine. It's already set. As long as you have the graphic selected, Command A to select all. So I want to select my image along with the registrations here. Then you could just click on output the paths and then cut. So then it should come over here and cut out your graphic. Once it's finished cutting the graphic out, you would do your second color.